So I don't think you guys have ever seen Bethany, but this is my alter ego, Bethany. And I'm like truly living for this blonde hair. This makes me look snatched. And I hope you guys like her, because if you want to see her, comment down below. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have this beautiful bold look on my eyes, and I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. But first, let me talk about the palettes that I'll be using today. They are from the brand Hipdot. It's pretty much a new indie brand on the scene, so you might have seen them online so far with their beautiful glitter palette. I am obsessed. That's my favorite palette. That's the Crystals palette. Look at the packaging. It's just so beautiful. You can see the back gives you all of the details, their Instagram hashtag, and of course cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free, and it's pretty much amazing. Fun fact, Hipdot's co-founder came from Pat McGrath and from Milk Makeup, so you guys know that these are really good shadows. And I mean, can't you tell? Like, it looks amazing. They're super pigmented, the glitters are super shimmery and sparkly. Like, I'm just like, really? Are you serious? Like, so freaking pretty. All of these shadows are super pigmented, very blendable, super high quality. Love that this has a mirror, of course, and then you also have this feature where it stands out. It has like a little ribbon on the back, so that you, if you're doing your makeup like in a hotel or you want to set this on a table, you can totally do so by opening it up like this. So I love that. And they're also very affordable. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of the information down below so that you guys know what these palettes are about. I hope you guys like this look. I don't know what I'm going to be calling this look yet, but it reminds me of a peacock, so it's kind of like a very vegan peacock look. I don't know. So we shall see what I name this, so stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and start. Alright, so we are gonna go ahead and get started with this look. I have nothing on my face right now. All I have is my brows. I actually did microblading not too long ago, and well, like 2.5 weeks ago, and I just have a little bit of like eyebrow pencil on, but that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this Skin & Co. Dewy Mist, I guess. It's the Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. And now I'm going to go in with the Skin Trainer CC Blur, and this is from Kiko Cosmetics. So for this look, since it's pretty intense, I am only going to apply concealer on my eyes, and then I'll probably do the rest of my skin at the end or once my eye look is done. So all I'm going to do is use my concealer for my lid. And for that, I'm going to be using the Milani concealer, and this is the Conceal and Perfect concealer, and this is in number 130. Alright, so for this look, I'm gonna start with the Rio palette. We're gonna go ahead and dip into this shade right here that's called Bombshell. This one right here, this blue. And again, if there's a little fallout, it's okay because we don't have foundation on yet, so we can go ahead and literally just take that off. I'm also going to go ahead and blend a little bit of this purple. This is called Allure, and I'm just going to add that and build it up on the outer corner. Next, I'm going to go in with Carnival, which is this shade right here. I'm just going to apply that on the middle. Wow, this color is so pretty. Alright, and then the next step I'm just going to add the purple on the inner corner there, and then finish off with this orange shade, which is Giselle, and I'm going to use that on the inner corner. The first one I'm going to use is called Emerald City, which is this one right here. So I'm going to dab that on my eyes. And as you can see, that is what it looks like. And I'm going to dab that right in the middle. I'm going to add a little bit of this one right here, which is like super colorful. That one is called Starlight. So I didn't want to be dramatic, but I think I am going to be dramatic. I wanted like a sharp line, and although I can clean that up with a little white bee, I figured I'd just use a tape because this is really going to give me the effect that I want. So I'm just going to use washi tape. This is probably the hardest part, I think, in my opinion. We're going to go in with this glitter here, and this is called Beijos, which I believe is kisses in Portuguese. Again, this is the Rio palette, so Beijos makes a lot of sense. A lot of inspiration from Brazil. Okay, so I'm just gonna touch that up and fix it a little bit, because I still have to put my lashes on and I don't want this to get so long, so speeding it up it is. I actually forgot that I'll be using the Hipdot Perfect Face, and I love this because it has a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. This is the finished look. I am obsessed with the colors. It's not something I would wear every day, but like it works. It looks really, really pretty. So yeah, I really love how this look came out. All the shadows that I used were only Hipdot, so I hope you guys check them out, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!